Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. My name is Muhammad Sajjad. In this video, we'll learn some basic formula in Excel like sum, subtraction, multiplication, divided, percentage, average, count. So let's start the topic. The first one, sum. We have a table here. This is my product. This is January, February, March, April. 3 easy ways of sum formula. The first method, sum function with formula. Second method, sum function with formula, without formula. Third method, sum function with shortcut key. So the first method, sum function formula. Now I use the keyboard equal to sum, bracket start, the January first circumstance, shift arrow down, bracket close, or just enter. You can see the total has been done. Again, drag the 3 cells. You can see the total has been done. Now control C. Second method, sum function without formula. Now I select the table, control A, go to the auto sum, see sum, just click sum, enter. You can see the total has been done. Now I control C. Third method, sum function with shortcut key. Use the keyboard, alt plus equal to, alt plus equal to, just enter. You can see the total has been done. Again, drag the 3 cells. Second method. In this video, we'll learn subtraction formula Excel. We have a salary data. This is the month, this is gross salary, this is the tax, this is the net salary. I need net salary with gross salary tax deduct. Now I use the keyboard equal to gross salary, first circumstance. So subtractions mean and tax first reference, enter. You can see the total has been done. Again, drag the 3 cells. Third, multiplication formula in Excel. This is my product data. This is the product. This is the unit sold. This is the rate. I need total sales amount. I use the keyboard equal to unit sold for cell reference, multiplications, rate for first cell reference, just enter. You can see the total has been done. Again, drag the all cells. This video will learn divide formula Excel. This is my product data, product, unit sold, total amount, this rate. Now I need rate equal to total first cell reference divided by unit sold first cell reference, just enter. You can see the total has been done. Again, drag 3 cells. In this video, we'll learn percentage formula Excel. We have a table here. This is student, this is total marks, this is marks obtained. I need obtain percentage. So to apply percentage, one has to apply divided first. Like simple equal to marks obtained first reference divided total marks first reference, enter. You can see the total has been done. Again, drag the 3 cells. Go to the number section. You see the percentage sign. Just click. So apply the percentage formula. 7. In this video, we'll learn average function in Excel. 2 easy ways for average formula. The first method, average function with formula. Second method, average function with a formula. This is my employee data, quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, quarter 4. So I need average equal to, I use the keyboard formula EVERAGE, average, bracket start, first cell reference, the last cell reference, bracket close, enter. You can see the total has been done. Again drag the all cells, the first method. Now I control Z, average function without formula. Go to the auto sum function, you see average function, just click, or enter. Again drag the all cells. In this video we will learn count formula Excel. This is my data, this is my number, this is a blank row, this is my number, this is my logical value, this is my date. So I use count formula equal to count, count, bracket start, first elements, shift arrow down, bracket close, enter. You can see on 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Count formula used to count the cell in a range which contains only number. A date is also counted as a number in Excel. See, this is my data 3, 4, 5, 6.